In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS VivoBook black screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you're having problems with your ASUS VivoBook giving you a black screen so you don't see anything on the display, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions that you can follow to fix this. So to start, make sure that it is getting sufficient power. Check your power cord. Make sure that it is thoroughly plugged in and that you see some sort of LED indicator light up. This will tell you if the laptop is getting enough battery. And you can let it charge for a while to ensure that it is fully charged and ready to go. Next, if you notice that it's taking too long to charge or you don't see any sort of LED indicator, you might have to replace the actual power cord because it could be a problem with it not charging. Now, if it is charging, you left it there for a while, and you know that for sure it is fully charged now, the next thing to do is to try to flush out the capacitors. So press and hold the power button for a full minute. Doing this will allow all remaining power on the actual laptop to be flushed out. So essentially, it is as if you are giving it clean new power. So see if this works, and once again, if it is still giving you trouble, I would recommend unplugging any sort of external peripherals that you have. So for example, a mouse, any sort of external keyboard, and so on. Make sure that they are not plugged into any of the available USB ports for the time being, and then try powering on again. If it still does not work, it could be a problem with the internals of this actual ASUS laptop. So if you are comfortable, I would recommend taking off the back cover and ensuring that things like the RAM sticks are properly seated into place. You just have to give them a quick nudge. So remove the back cover, open it up, and then take a look at the battery and the RAM sticks. If you notice as well that the battery is swollen or something is not plugged right, then the best course of action would be to take it to the ASUS customer support. Besides these basic fixes, there is not much that you can do to troubleshoot. You can try connecting it to an external display to see if it is usable that way. So if you have a spare HDMI cable, plug it in to something like an external monitor and see if it works that way for the time being. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS VivoBook black screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.